Follow me to experience the management of the most advanced WEF lighthouse factory firsthand. At Ingrasys, innovation drives efficiency. With Cupola360, real-time management and smart vision redefine factory operations. While traditional CCTV systems require more cameras, more AI resources, and higher maintenance costs, Cupola360 changes that. Based on Ingrasys' Nanjing factory, Cupola360 reduces camera deployment by more than 60% and cuts AI processing needs by over 50%, made possible by its unified 360-degree spatial view. Smarter vision saves not only time, but cost. Gain instant insights into your operations. Cupola360 aggregates machine and SFC data into dynamic, real-time dashboards, enabling data-driven decisions at a glance. Seamlessly integrate external systems. With web iframe support, control and view third-party web pages directly within the Cupola360 interface, all in one unified platform. Transform your factory tours with Cupola360. Keep customers outside of the fab while offering an immersive, interruption-free experience. Clearly showcase your production strengths through rich multimedia content, ideal for factory tours, remote audits, and a range of other applications. Advanced person detection not only monitors designated zones, but also alerts you when limits are exceeded, and again when resolved. Stay informed, stay safe, stay compliant. Instantly move between cameras with intuitive directional controls. Navigate seamlessly through different areas, ensuring complete spatial awareness without missing a single detail. With Cupola360, remotely monitor and manage your factory operations in real time. Follow production paths, check key metrics, and visualize spatial layouts through an interactive mini-map, maximizing OEE and minimizing downtime. Cupola360 stands out with its open platform. Easily configure NVR and AI settings, enable or disable features, and even integrate your own or third-party AI modules. Tailor your surveillance your way. Review the past to improve the future. Replay 360-degree recordings with optional AI overlays. Compare, validate, and enhance AI detection accuracy, ensuring reliable event review and smarter incident analysis. Ingrasys and Cupola360, empowering the future of your smart manufacturing today.